Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record calls on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to record calls in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just go to general and here go to software update. Very first you have to try to update your software. If there will be any pending update, it will be updated, and after that you just have to go back and here and go to apps section, select apps. Then scroll down and you have to look for phone app in your iPhone. Here's the phone app. You just have to select it. And here just scroll down and here you just have to look for call recording feature. So sometime you might get audio call recording or you will get only call recording. So you just have to select and here you'll get a toggle to enable. So you just have to try to enable this. And once you have enabled, it will automatically start recording your audio calls. So in this way, you can easily record calls in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.